Everyone, welcome to the Trading with the Bot channel. So in today's video, I wanted to show you some of the built-in trading bots in KuCoin. It's under Trading Bot menu. And I wanted to discuss their performance and set some of your expectations because a lot of the times these platforms show you very unrealistic performance. So there are 6 types of bots that are built in KuCoin. And it's excellent because you don't need to pay anything else for using these bots. They are for free. There's a spot and futures grid bot. There's a martingale, smart rebalance, infinity grid, and a DCA bot where you could repeat your investment on a regular basis and accumulate the coin. So all of these strategies are actually good. And it's what's also like on KuCoin is that you have a leaderboard that shows recent performance of the strategies. And what I wanted to point out is that this leaderboard is a bit deceiving. So you need to be mindful that this run time is, and here you can see 1 day, 2 days, and so on. 4 days here looks like the oldest ones, is the time when the particular strategy was running, and thus this APR performance is only estimated. So it ran for 4 days, this particular strategy. It performed fairly well, but we don't know what will happen next week, either to this particular pair or to the market or to the price. So you cannot expect to have consistent profit running these particular strategies. Same with the spot grid. If you look at the leaderboard, some very recent setups appearing to produce great results, but next week the price could be completely flat, and similar with the futures and so on. So one of the ideas I had perhaps is try to maybe do some filtering and look for specific pairs that I would be interested in trading and maybe also able to compare. And what I've done is I looked here under the drop down all, and you could actually select the pair. And what I wanted to do is I wanted to trade in Bitcoin. I like trading in Bitcoin because this allows me to accumulate Bitcoin, take profits in Bitcoin. And here, again, under all drop down, I was able to choose Bitcoin pairs. And unfortunately, it's only 6 pairs that this KuCoin built-in bot allows you to have. So this Ethereum, Bitcoin, Ripple, and so on, BNB, and you could select one and see the performance. So here, finally, I think this is representative because look at these run times. This is 811 days, 700, and so on. So this is no longer an estimated result, but that's actual past results that these people were having when they're trading Ethereum and Bitcoin against each other, taking profit in Bitcoin and also making this APR a year. So this strategy would be available only on spot. Then you could also trade this pair as a martingale. But what I saw here for martingale, and that was a surprise to me, is that for martingale, the results were worse. So martingale, again, is a traditional kind of a DCA type of a bot that we saw, for example, on 3Commas, and the results were lower than a regular spot bot for the same pair. And the only other strategy that you could use for this pair would be an infinity grid. So let's look there. Here, Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, and here we have some of the long-running bots, 365, this is short, 77 days, but this one, 348, and it's lower, it's 19%, 27%. So again, compare 27% here for infinity grid with the spot grid that was producing 50, 37. So let's say between 50 and 40% a year that you could produce. So this, I believe, is realistic. Trading Ethereum against Bitcoin, I believe, is risk averse and something that makes sense if you want to accumulate Bitcoin in the long run. And I want to point your attention that the hype that you see with these short run bots, reason bots, with this estimated APRs is not something that you should probably buy into.